Hi, this is Tino, ING Home Improvement LLC. We're on Friday around 3 o'clock, May 15th, and I just finished power washing this deck. We're ready to put a stain on. Just looks already clean. We're also power washing. We're also power wash this fence from this side and the back and the front. A lot of work, because this deck has never been power washed before. The agreement with the customer, she didn't want to power wash. She didn't want to send it, so we just did the best we could. We put these caps on, and this is what we did the siding. We installed this siding as well. Well, gotta wait about 3-4 days, and then we'll start staining away. Have a good weekend.